Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, push that little like button, subscribe button, and follow me on more videos to come. Anyways, tonight we're going to be working on putting on some latches on the hood. Really cool latches. It's a little tiny push button. Comes apart. Show you what we're going to be doing on how we're going to install that. So let's take a look at the parts that I have and how we're going to put it into the car. Alright, so what I have is I'm going to have a cross member go from one side of the hood to the other side. I got a second piece here that I'm actually going to attach onto this guy, and what that's going to do is allow these things to attach without this bar twisting, so I have two mount points on both sides. Let's get under the hood and I'll show you what I mean by that. Alright, so first off, this bar is actually going to get installed underneath this lip. Something like that. Of course, we'll have to square it up. Then these guys are going to go underneath. Probably something like, let's see if I can find which one. Probably something like that on both sides. And what that's going to do, if I only had this with one mounting point, this could rotate. But when you get two mounting points through the side, it'll hold it so it's pretty steady. Okay, so once that's in place, these guys are going to be threaded onto this flat section here, and that'll allow me to put a hole through the hood and make it to where I can release the hood and open it up and lock it back down. Alright guys, so in order to transfer this point, what I did was I put some paint on the tip here, and when I closed the hood down, it left a mark exactly where I need to drill through. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and drill that, open it up to, I believe it's 3/4 of an inch. I got to take a measurement on the button, but I believe it's 3/4 of an inch. Then I'll put the button on top, and then see how it closes down on both of these hinges. So what's nice about these is they're flush, they look clean, and they operate pretty easy too. That's all it takes, just a little pressure and it unlocks it. So alright guys, it's that easy. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. These hood latches went in really easy. A little adjustment at the end, but overall I'm really happy with them. They're easy to operate, clean, smooth, and I recommend them for any project that you're doing that you need a custom latch for, whether it be a Jeep, Toyota truck, Bug, whatever. Really easy to operate, simple. Press down and push down to lock them back in. So, as always guys, like, comment, subscribe, and remember, it's built, not bought. Thanks guys for watching.